getting meshy.
I feel like in a porn movie right now. Like,
Hello guys!
Hi!
Today is a Tuesday and as you can see I have a friend here, a very handsome YouTuber, Martin! A challenge. Will you win?
I think I win if you can throw. I'm pretty sure I can catch. And we're gonna do it vice versa as well. I'm gonna throw stuff at you.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
And you better throw directly at my mouth because I suck at catching.
I mean,
And I suck at throwing also.
I used to play basketball, but I wasn't good at. I was the team player. I always gave the passes.
Yeah. Okay.
So I wasn't the shooter. So, but we can make it work.
We can make it work. We will make it work.
Yeah, we'll make it work.
So let's begin.
Yeah, let's do this. Oh, I can make you a smiley face. I got it!
You did! I got it!
Yeah.
Definitely got it.
But
And that's gross.
Jelly time, jelly time, jelly time. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? There you go.
You got some?
Mushrooms.
Up for mushrooms.
Yeah.
Any day.
Not looking forward to this at all.
You don't like
I
fish?
like.
Well, my eye got it. Definitely got it.
I'm gonna go all in for that.
You gonna do it? Yeah. I'm gonna do it. I got it. It was in my mouth and it's freaking disgusting. I think I won.
Yeah, you won.
You wanna come and sit down here with me and let's end this video. Guys, I hope you liked watching this. It was super fun to actually try and catch disgusting food.
Indeed.
And if you haven't checked out Martin's channel yet, then definitely do that because he is awesome, as I already said in the beginning. That's why I invited him here.
Yeah, and if you are one of my guys, go and check out other videos from her and hit the subscribe button, you know?
Whoop whoop. So that's it.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And if you liked it, you know what to do.
Thumbs up.
Bye.
Bye.
What day is the official day that I have on my license that I got my motorcycle license? It was September. Was it? Or August?